Understanding arbitration, a path to a binding decision. Understanding arbitration, a path to a binding decision. Arbitration is a process where a neutral third party decides a dispute. While similar to a court proceeding, it has very different outcomes on the parties involved. This presentation will explore the core aspects you need to know about arbitration. The arbitrator's role. The arbitrator acts like a judge who hears evidence and makes a final award. But you get to choose the arbitrator through agreement with the other party. And unlike a judge, they must be fair to both sides. However, you are not in control, and arbitrators manage the hearing like a judge. The arbitration process. In arbitration, the parties agree to submit their dispute to arbitration. The parties present their cases to the arbitrator as evidence. Based on this evidence, the arbitrator gives a binding decision called an award. Types of arbitration. There are two types of arbitration. In binding arbitration, the arbitration award is legally enforceable by a court of law. In non-binding arbitration, the award is advisory and not legally binding. Advantages of arbitration. Arbitration can lead to a quicker resolution than litigation, saving you time and money. Arbitration may also be more flexible and less formal than court. Disadvantages of arbitration. There are some disadvantages to using arbitration as your preferred ADR method. They include reduced discovery. In arbitration, the ability to obtain information from the other party may be limited. Lack of transparency. Arbitration proceedings are often private, which can be a disadvantage for some. Unpredictability. While arbitrators are experienced, there's always some level of unpredictability in the outcome. Potential for bias. While arbitrators strive for neutrality, there's always a possibility of unconscious bias. With so many online agreements available today, it is really important for you to know how arbitration works for your future. We hope you enjoyed learning more about the arbitration process. Please help Happy Mediation reach more people by liking this video or making a donation and sharing it with other people